Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 5-tier plant stand that you can use for in your bedroom or living room or anywhere that you might have some plants or tchotchkes that you want to display in a very nice, elegant little display. And it looks like it'll be fairly simple to put together. It should take less than 5 minutes. They provide everything with the 4 upper tiers, the lower tier, and then of course a bag of hardware, which isn't very much hardware, and they even provide you the little Allen wrench tool. So it's got these 5 feet that are adjustable on the bottom, so if you have uneven surface, each one of these individual feet on the bottom. So they have this number one and number 2 piece. Everything is labeled. They've got number 1, there's number 2, everything is easily labeled, so the number 2 piece is then going to go on to these other ones as well. Again, I'm going to get these started finger tight with these, and then we'll go ahead and use the Allen wrench and go ahead and finish it up. Now I've got the number 3 piece. It's just going to snap in place on the back. Now this upper ones here, they just end up snapping in. And then you've got your top tier piece that just easily screws in to the top like that. So now we've got those pieces there. Now you've got your 4 discs. Those are simply going to go on place here. We're going to get them started. So I've got this out here next to my sofa, and we'll kind of show you an idea. This top ones each hold 20 pounds. This next layer holds 22, and the bottom one can hold 30. But you can easily put decorations on if you're wanting to do that. We've got candlestick here. But to show you an idea of what this can hold, I've got actually a heavy, about almost a 20-pound little tree here. And to kind of show you how that's going to go on there, and it stays on there just fine. You could easily put heavier items on some of these shelves, but just for display purposes, it works great. Really enjoy this stand. It has a nice aesthetic to any room.